I am Monica Bhatt, Oriflame India's beauty and makeup specialist. This video is all about EGV. EGV stands for Everyday Great Value. Products which are essential for your everyday use, from skincare, color cosmetics, and personal care. Let me take you through the categories fall under EGV. Glow Essentials. It has those skincare products which we normally use on daily basis. Here is the portfolio. The first product is face wash, which effectively cleanses and removes skin impurities from skin. Mask and scrub take out the dead cells from your skin and improve skin texture. Face cream with SPF 10 gives you UV protection and also prevent photoaging. Body lotion makes your skin more vibrant, hydrated, and moisturized. The best part about EGV Glow Essential is that it is dermatologically tested, and this is for all skin type. Now let's understand more about Glow Essential's benefit and ingredients. It protects and moisturizes skin for 24 hours, and that too instantly. It is clinically tested. It gives you 3-in-1 skin benefit. Adds glow to your skin, protects your skin, and moisturizes your skin. Glow Essential has 2 most important skin vitamins. Vitamin E, which gives skin a very healthy appearance. Not only that, it protects your skin from external aggressors and gives you hydration for a longer period of time. Vitamin B3 nourishes your skin, gives that illuminating effect and makes your skin soft and supple. Now let me take you through EGV color cosmetic category. EGV color cosmetic category is called On Color. In On Color, we have On Color Power Up Foundation. It is enriched with shea butter, gives you medium coverage, and has skincare properties as well. This comes under 3 beautiful shades for medium, fair, and deeper skin tones. We have On Color Pressed Powder in this and On Color Bloom Pressed Powder in this, which comes in 2 different shades. And the ingredient is naturally sourced mineral mica, which helps to absorb excess oil, sweat from your skin and makes your skin look more mattified. On Color Nail Enamel with a wide angled brush for that one stroke application and a beautiful shine. This category of On Color color cosmetics has different varieties of lipsticks. On Color Creamy Lipstick, On Color Bloom Creamy Lipstick with vibrant pigment and creamy coverage. On Color Matte Lipstick and On Color Little Matte Lipstick with a matte finish and a long-lasting wear. Now let's have a look at EGV personal care category. For everyday use, we have Love Nature 3 beautiful fragrance talc, Cooling Delight, Floral Bloom, and Sandal Caress. We have 2 Love Nature soap bars as well, Essential Rose and Sandalwood, antibacterial protecting neem and basil. Now the best part about Love Nature is all the ingredients are naturally sourced and are organic ingredients. Now, for overall mouth protection, we have Opti Fresh System A Total Protection Toothpaste, which protects teeth from 8 problems, provides specially 12-hour protection against plaque, tartar, and cavities. For 2 to 6 years of kid, we have Opti Fresh Kids Toothpaste with strawberry flavor, which helps prevent cavities and strengthen developing teeth. Enjoy your skincare essentials and color cosmetics for every day with Oriflame EGV, Everyday Great Value products. Value for money, pocket friendly, economical price, and same price every month.